forecast.
Well, Kenneth Johnston capturing the first light of day at dawn, and as you look over toward the Blue Ridge Mountains there, a nice shot. We average just over 10 hours of daylight now. Of course, it continues to shrink, as you well know. Sun comes up just before 7 o'clock. Here's a nice shot this evening from Jim Carpenter. That is the waxing gibbous moon, helping to silhouette some dogwood leaves there. Let's take a look at our highs today. A lot cooler, but a lot more November-like. Certainly more seasonable. Temperatures ranged anywhere from the upper 50s to low 60s across the immediate area. There's just a look at some of the regional numbers, and certainly much cooler than Monday. 53 is our current reading. We have a light northerly wind. Air mass is dry. The stage is set for a cold start tomorrow morning with widespread freezing temperatures. 50, the current number at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave, touching 58 for the high today. Already 49 in Harrisonburg, 48 there in Waynesboro, 51 in Palmyra, and 52 currently in Madison. So again, temperatures by morning anywhere from the mid-20s to low 30s. Cold and frosty start. We've got a cool day for Wednesday. A lot of sunshine, at least the first half of the day. More clouds will start to roll in during the afternoon, but low and mid 50s. Next big thing is a pretty good rain. And yes, that will be Thursday. And Thursday will also be our coldest day of the week. But our rain chances increase, and a pretty good chance of maybe a widespread ½ an inch or a little more of rain expected on Thursday across the region. It's been about 45 days since we've had significant rainfall. You really have to go back until late September, early October, and that's when we were dealing with the tropical moisture from Helene. Since that time, as you well know, it's been quite dry. And of course, we are in the fall wildfire season, so additional rain is certainly needed. So there is our wet and chilly, if not cold day on Thursday, with temperatures stuck in the mid 40s, and then we'll start to dry out for Friday. Temperatures will edge back up to around 60. Quiet tonight. We have a large area of high pressure extending from really eastern Canada down through New England, the Northeast, the Mid-Atlantic. That's keeping us high and dry for now. Meanwhile, a front that's moving through the Rockies into the Plain States tonight will link up with tropical moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, and that'll start to work in our direction as we move into Thursday. Speaking of the tropics, this is a disturbed area that's pretty broad, loosely organized showers and thunderstorms that will likely become better organized as we get toward the end of the week. Could become a depression or storm, and that would take us into the weekend. That would be Sarah, something to watch in the extended forecast. In the meantime, here's our cold and frosty start early Wednesday morning, 20s and 30s, a cool afternoon, temperatures in the low and mid 50s, and then Thursday morning early, we should be dry, temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. Then here comes the rain. The mountains out to the west will likely begin with a little bit of sleep. Then that goes over to rain. Rain continues through the morning hours into the afternoon. It'll taper off as we go into Thursday night. So there's our soaking. Temperatures tonight, mid-20s to low 30s. A look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast showing you, again, a cooler day for Wednesday. That colder, chilly rain in here on Thursday will dry out on Friday. And right now the weekend looking good with temperatures back in the mid-60s.